So friend, this is my online network blue sky channel here, and this my video start continue this basic computer of system. So last my previous video I already told you something very important for information how Microsoft 2016 software download and install, and you have not this is a Explorer system, so you can use Windows software, Windows 7 inside. So now in this time I'm start Microsoft software 2016, and you have 2007, so don't worry about that. Click on Microsoft Word. You can see just here, this is a very important for beginner system and beginner computer users. So this is one type of a base of computer science document create on, and something very important your document available in Microsoft system. So one type of this uh, you know lot of company, lot of uh, engineers and scientists and everything Microsoft Office using systems here. And I'm talking about Linux operating system. Linux operating system, one type of open source system. So maybe you are using a pkg file install, and pkg file install. After you can installation this software basic for Microsoft Office systems here. So Microsoft software installation is one type of this document, and lot of people and lot of companies document systems available in these systems. So you work anything, you can add data, anything, you can start anything data, you can work your company information, company documents, company related a lot of work, and very smart and fast work by these softwares here. So Microsoft Excel, why create these software? First understanding Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, lot of MS Office, Microsoft company through created this document. So first Microsoft created operating system. Microsoft company create first operating system, and after create one by one software. So you can watch Windows 95. I will show you video, and Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, other lot of video I will show you. But today I'm just showing on very basic systems of this document. So let's start. So first you are using Windows 7, you are using a Windows 8, 8.1, any operating systems. I'm using my Windows 10 in my computer. You can see just a Windows 10 this operating system, and I'm give a proof of Windows 10. This is okay. So Windows 10 inside, you can see just here, this is a operating system that is this time, but maybe future time Windows 10 to upgrade other side operating system. So Windows 7 using here, so all applications, all items, and click on all apps, and find my MS Office folders. So I find the Microsoft folder here, and you can see lot of Microsoft Office, but we won't start basic knowledge, basic system. Microsoft operating system other already give us software just like Notepad. You can see just here Notepad. So what is a Notepad? I'm already created some videos. So what is a Notepad? Notepad one type of your notebook, and you create a note. So write anything you any paragraph write here, and you can edit here, cut, copy, paste, delete anything your lines you can delete here. Format, you can see format, font change here, different wise you can change, and changing systems, and you can anything you want format inside a lot of different wise computer related these Notepad software. So what is a Notepad software? Notepad software is one type of very old version, and one type of a file creator. You can add only paragraphs and some editing system, just like find, replace, and you know and just give something paragraph, writing anything. So we are start Microsoft Word. Okay, so these notepad and notepad with these all of our data. uh, Watch my playlist of Windows 10. Okay, so Windows 10 training system. So Windows 10 inside different wise Windows 10. So lot of people systematic and using department with other lot of companies and organizations using Microsoft Word. So first understand Microsoft Word. What is a Microsoft Word using here? So Microsoft Word is most of using this comp. First understand Microsoft Word. What is a Word? Word means your notepad type system. So you can use Microsoft Word after before Microsoft Word of some using MS Word. So lot of people using as one type of WordPad. So WordPad is one type of very simple type and a simple type of the system, Microsoft WordPad, not Word. So what is a WordPad? WordPad inside this only home, these home options only available, but Microsoft Word, WordPad and Microsoft Word, two different types software. You can see just Microsoft Word, this software, lot of features, lot of options available, but Microsoft WordPad inside not more options, only home options and web options. Why? Because these simple software first created Microsoft, and after one by one create these give new features and advanced level features. Okay, so I'm just talk about Microsoft WordPad. Okay, so this is a type of a technology is created for only computer and computer beginners type in the computer government system, government with private companies and lot of papers work. So I'm just showing you these anything. You can see just here you want more information, you want more so not need I'm just paragraph this copy here. Okay, I'm just showing you what is the difference between Microsoft Word and, so I'm just copy and paste here. This is you can see just here. Okay, so you can write, you can add anything, but this is algorithms, and this is showing me these okay, these document. But you can see just here I'm 40 size these all of letters, and I want this bold, so I can bold here. Okay, and I want paragraph these bold after color change, so I'm changing here. But you can see there's not more colors and features. Okay, you can see just here I just create a red color and underlines. Okay, so that is one type of limited options, not more, and you can most often using a picture or anything. But what happened, I'm in enter Microsoft Word. So let's start and understand Microsoft Word, because we are learn Microsoft Word Office feature and software. Understand. So let's start this video. So first you can see just here, this is a Microsoft Word Office software here. Lot of people, lot of company employees, lot of companies using the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one type of just like a newspaper, just like using your notebook and notebook printer companies and other. So using Microsoft Word software most often. So I'm just you can write anything, but I'm just showing you. This is one type of paragraph. I'm delete here, okay. But you want just like just showing you 40, okay, 40 complete. But I'm just typing here, hi space, I am teach you, okay. I'm type here, computer basic knowledge okay, knowledge full, okay, full video beginner computer software of MS Office. Okay, I'm just typing here. So you can see just here, this is my sentence, okay. You type and you can copy other books, okay. This is the PDF file. What is the PDF file? I will discuss some next some video. So this is the Adobe PDF and PDF related these systems here. So this is about Adobe Reader, and you can see just here, okay. So computer, I'm just training only Microsoft Word first, because you are beginner, and first understand home option. So home option means basic main option, and these you can see left, top to left side, okay. This is file save. What is a file save? File save means first I am typing something and save file. So you can file save from file, click on file, and this type not showing in 2007 Microsoft Office software product document and this type feature, but I'm just showing 2016 in 19 software inside this type feature. So click on save as and click on browse, select your location file. So I'm click on desktop, and desktop in my enter new name, okay. So my practical okay, practical 15, this type give name, okay. So this is one type of practical one file. This is my file name. Okay, this is my file name and this is a Word document. Okay, click on save. So this is my file save. Okay, why we are save file? Because suddenly your power of your computer off, so you can start again your computer, so directly you can access your from your file. Okay, this is your file and this is your folder. Okay, so I'm just you are beginner, so first save on desktop side. Okay, so I'm just working any file, anything changing, so continue save. Okay, you can save directly this logo. Okay, this is a save logo. Okay, and any mistake, just like I'm click this, but I want to back it the word, so click on undo. Okay, so click on undo. Okay, so this is one type of very good and advanced level features. Is available 2007 Microsoft Office software. Okay, version 2007 version, but is not available this feature, protect document type and manage document type. Okay, so what is this area? This showing properties means your file size. Okay, my page is 1. Okay, and word 16 word continue count, and editing time my 9 minutes. Okay, and title I can give text or text extra anything, comment, and the related dates. These you can see just here my all of information my file here. Okay, and the related people you can see video here. Okay, so left side you can see just protect document. You can protect your document encryption. I will discuss one by one. Okay, so you want a new file, so click on new file. You want to already save a file, so click on open. You want to save directly, you save as I already told you. You want a file print out by printing, so click on print. I will discuss some video. Share, you can share your group, your hard disk group and the network and some social website. You can export your server side and any other side, and you can close your this software. So you can see just here this is a home options here. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So you are anything you want to change, so first click left side mouse button and hold it, and this type select here anything you want to change. So first select and changing here. I want this bold, so click on bold these options. Okay, so this is a bold. I want change color this, so I can change here this from here. You can see just lot of advanced colors. So I want red color. Okay, this is red color. I want red color. Okay, and I want this break line, so click on enter. This is break. Okay, and you want more space, so click on enter again. Already give this button on your keyboard. So this is a very important features available in your computer. So again left button, hold it and drag your mouse, select it, and I want background this sentence color. Click on yellow anything. Okay, so click on yellow. Okay, and you can see just here this is a I want to change style. Okay, this is style, so I change these Arial, a little bit lot of style available in your list. So I like Calibri. Okay, so Calibri I like. Okay, so you want Italian type. Okay, Italian type you can see style. So you can Italian type. You want these sentence. So again, left button hold and drag this mouse here and underline, click on. Okay, so you change anything. So first select. Okay, selected this and I want to change color. So this click on blue and dark type. So dark. Okay, so this is a system very good of Microsoft Word. I'm just showing only for you some one sentence and these because you are beginner, these home options. Okay, so this video very long and I will discuss one by one these. Okay, so next time I'm continue this video. So before I'm close, click on save button. Okay, so all of my data save and next time continue this topic and this option home because this video very long, and click on subscribe button, click on like button and click on bell icon. Okay, either notification not send new my channel from YouTube and you maybe miss my videos. So my all video part wise and you must watch my previous video and you cannot understand what happened last give information. Okay, so I am continue this video next Microsoft Word part 2. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on bell icon, click on like button my video for my motivation. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue these two type and other type these options. Okay, so thank you.